Good morning. Yes. Okay, once again, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Pi Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, could you name the chapter that we were discussing in the last class? Yes, it is matter in our surroundings. Then could you tell what was the last concept that we had discussed? It is terms related to different states of matter, right? Then let us go for continuing those concepts. Before that, once we shall go for recalling those terms. Let me ask you one simple question. Niharika, could you tell which is the chemical substance which exists in all the three states of matter? Wait. Niharika, yes, it is water. Then what is the chemical formula of water? It is H2O. H2O is the only chemical substance which exists in all the three states of matter. That is, it exists as solid like ice, liquid as water, then gas in the form of steam, right? Then the terms related to these states of matter are first one is rigidity. We know that it is the property of a matter, or it is a property of one of the state of matter by which it is difficult to bend or flexible the matter, right? It is rigidity. Next, what is second one? Fluidity. Rigidity. It is the property of matter by which it is difficult to bend. Next, fluidity. It is the property of the matter by which matter can flow easily. Next, third term. It is compressibility. We all know that the volume of a matter can be reduced. Some matters can be reduced. So this property of the matter is known as compressibility. The property of matter by which its volume can be reduced. Next, shape. We know that the boundary of yes, the boundary of a matter is indicated by the word called shape. Shape indicates the boundary of a matter. Next.
Sir, unmute your audio. Sir, unmute your audio.
It is density and is defined as the ratio of mass of an object to its volume. The ratio of mass of an object to its volume is called density. Then what is the formula that we use to find out density of a matter?
Mass by volume.
Mass by volume.
Mass divided by volume. Do you know the symbol that we go for using to represent the density?
Meter
Rho.
cube.
P rho.
kg meter cube.
Unit. I'm asking
kg
you
meter
the
cube.
symbol that we use to
kg
represent
meter cube.
density.
kg meter cube.
You are telling the SI unit.
Rho.
I am asking
Rho.
you.
Rho.
per centimeter
Very
Sir,
good.
rho.
Very
gram
good.
per centimeter cube.
Represented by using one of the Greek letter called rho. It is like, and it's to be read as this way, RHO, rho. Rho is equal to MIV. Density is equal to mass by volume. Rho is one of the Greek letters like alpha, beta, gamma, theta, zeta, delta, iota. You have come across alpha, beta, and gamma, right? Alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. Have you not come across?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You have come across in your previous classes. And lambda, have you heard? You 8th standard bandidela. Where you learn about time period, wavelength, wave velocity. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ even in your in 7th standard you have learnt about the light concept. In the light ray there will be some other rays like alpha rays, beta rays, gamma rays. ಅವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ you have not learnt in detail, just you have got the introductory part. Yeah, rho is equal to m by v is the formula used to find out density. Then what is the unit that we use to measure the density? Or SI unit
Gram
of
per centimeter
Kilogram
cube.
per meter cube.
Gram per
Centimeter
centimeter cube.
kg per meter cube.
kilogram
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 per meter cube.
SI unit. It is SI unit, and some other units like it is gram per centimeter cube also. SI unit is kilogram per meter cube. Then after that we come across one of the important characteristic of matter called particles of a matter are moving continuously, right? If when they are moving, they obtain the energy. What we call that energy?
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic
Kinetic
energy.
energy.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
Energy acquired by the particles because of their motion is called kinetic energy. So these are the terms which we come across in the last class. Then in addition with that, just I make you to recall some other terms which you have learned in your other previous classes. It is, we know that every matter is made up of number of particles. Will there be any distance between the particles?
Yes, sir.
Intermolecular
Yes.
space.
Intermolecular
Molecular
space.
space.
Intermolecular space.
Just answer to my question. I'm asking you, will there be any distance between the particles? Yes.
Yes,
or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
If yes, Shreya, care, tell what do you call the distance? Wait, she's trying. Lakshmi Sri,
Sir, intermolecular space.
very good. It is intermolecular space. The distance between the particles of a matter is called intermolecular
space.
space. Here I'm right. Intermolecular space. Then we know that the particles of a matter attract each other. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
This attraction is due to the existence of the force. Is it not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If so, Shreya, again I'm giving you the chance. If it is to tell the force that is existed between the particles of matter.
Intermolecular force.
Very good. It is called intermolecular force. Intermolecular force.
Force of attraction.
The force of attraction between the particles of a matter is called intermolecular force.
Force.
Then again, in that we have two types. What do you call the force of attraction between the particles of same matter?
Cohesive force.
Adhesive.
Cohesive force.
Cohesive.
Cohesive force.
Cohesive
Cohesive force.
Cohesive.
Cohesive force.
Yes, cohesive force. What did you say? The force of attraction between the particles of same matter, it is cohesive force. Then what do you call the force acting between the particles of different
Adhesive force.
Adhesive force.
Unwanted disturbance.
Adhesive force, sir.
Just it is for the
Unwanted
sake of your
disturbance, sir.
knowledge only I have given that. You do remember. Yes,
Unwanted
students.
disturbance, sir.
Yes, yes. Listen.
Unwanted.
Continue, sir.
It is fine is unmute only. It is correct. Dear students, based on these terms only, we will go for classifying or we will go for describing the properties of different states of matter. That is solids, liquids, and gases. So let us go for knowing about this. And for writing the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. For each state, you have to use one page. Please go for using the fresh page for writing this. In one page, at the top, write properties of solids. Next page, properties of liquids. Next, properties of gases. Followed or not?
Yes, sir.
The page, if it is half, you leave that. Start using the fresh pages. ಇಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಅದನ್ನ paste ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ. Start writing.
Sir, even long book also.
Oh yes, even in long book also. Right. Different states of matter. It was over. Energy. Let's move on. Right. Side heading.
ಚೇತನ್ ಸರ್ ಮನೋಜ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ವಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್.
Right. Properties of solids. Properties of solids. Then in the next page, write the properties of liquids. And in the third page, write properties of gases. Properties of liquids. Then in another page, properties of gases. Have you all written? Have you all written?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Listen. First property, we will go for describing based on the arrangement of particles of a matter. Look at them. Okay, I'm going to take a matter like a piece of iron, and here one matter, call it as water. Third one, it is some amount of oxygen is collected in a gas jar. Please don't go for copying anything. First you observe. Look here. Here all these are matters, and we all know that matters are made up of number of particles. But the arrangement of these particles is different from one matter to another matter. Let me show you how the particles are arranged in solids. Yeah. See that? Particles are arranged like they are packed tightly.
Write one in one page.
Yes. Liquids, just observe. The particles are arranged loosely. In gases, the particles are moving randomly, so that we can say particles are arranged freely. They can move from one region to another region easily. So now, let me show you the arrangement of these particles in the solids, liquids, and gases with a simple activity. I think I had already shown you this. Observe. Look here, please. Look here. Now, could you tell which arrangement is this?
Solid.
Solid.
You can notice that how the particles are arranged. They are packed very closely. All the particles are very close to each other. This is the arrangement of particles in solids. Next. What do you say about this arrangement? Very good. Please mute your audio. Prashant sir.
Sir, Kirtan Raj definition.
Just listen to. See.
Sir, wait, sir. Kirtan, turn on your audio. Unmute your audio. Kirtan,
Yes, sir.
speak. Ask something to Raju sir.
Sir, that is solid.
That's
No,
all.
unmute. Don't mute. Unmute. Sir, speak.
Okay, sir.
Speak with
Okay,
Kirtan
okay.
sir.
Kirtan, you just
Yes, sir.
observe this
Yes, sir.
Observe.
Absolutely.
and tell the arrangement of particles in this. How the particles are
Sir,
arranged.
particles are very loosely packed. This
Very
is
good,
gases.
It's correct. See, there is much distance between the particles.
Yes, sir.
They can move easily. So this arrangement is with respect to solids, liquids, or gases.
Gases, sir. Gases.
It is in case of gas. Okay. Next. Now observe this arrangement.
Liquid, sir.
This is liquids.
Liquid, sir.
1 minute. Yes. Now, could you tell the arrangement?
Particles are loosely packed.
Yeah, particles are packed loosely. So this arrangement is in which of the three states of matter?
Liquid.
Once you see, this is the arrangement of particles in liquid state of matter. Okay.
Yes, sir.
First point. In case of solids, what you have to write is particles of a matter are packed, or particles in case of solid, they are packed tightly. Will you draw this?
Yes, sir.
You just put a small box. And show the arrangement of particles. This is the way of arrangement. Now, with enlarged figure, I'll show how the particles are arranged. Look here. Particles. Your first particle, second particle, third particle, fourth particle. Next particles are arranged like this. Please observe. Don't write like this. This is wrong. Here, this is the way. Gap. This is arrangement of particles. Iron, it is denoted by the atomic symbol called F. Right, first problem. In solids, come on, particles are arranged tightly, very closely. Next, liquids. Just to draw this.
Sir, we should write one name.
Next page with respect to liquids. In liquids, particles are arranged loosely. In liquids, particles are arranged loosely. LOSELY ಮತ್ತೆ LOO ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Got it or not? LOO, this is different from LO. Next, another page. Come to the properties of gases. There, you just draw this. Water is H2O, oxygen. In bracket, you will write O. Prashant, how are particles arranged in case of gases? Prashant, Daksh,
These gases, particles are very loosely packed.
they are packed very loosely. Usually, in general, we can say that they are very free. They are scattered in all the directions. So let us write particularly like this. In gases, particles are arranged freely. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now at a time, I'm going to show you the arrangement of particles in two different states. Observe. Please observe.
Solid liquid.
Can you see it properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This arrangement.
Visible, sir.
Is it visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, in that
Okay.
part, board part,
Now,
we can't see
this
that
part.
particles. Sir.
Solid.
Wait.
Solid.
Solid and gas.
Here we have to adjust the light according to that. You can see it clearly.
Yes, sir.
It is visible, sir.
Visible, no?
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Okay. Yes, I think it is correct now, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
yes, students,
Yes, sir.
observe this one. Hope that you can see.
Yes, sir.
This arrangement is there in which
Solid.
state?
Solid.
Solid.
This is
Liquid.
Liquid.
liquid. Now, observe the distance between the particles in solid as well as liquid and compare. Tell what you say. What will be your observation?
The space is maximum in gases,
More
minimum in
solid in
Or
liquid.
in tightly packed. Solid less in liquid.
See, in
space
case
is
of
maximum in gases and
in case of
small.
solid, the distance between the particles is very less. You can notice that, right? The distance between the particles. Observe in liquids, there is distance between the particles. You can notice that here. Yeah, distance between the particles. Whereas in gas, that distance is maximum comparatively other two states. So, and we call this distance as intermolecular space.
Space.
So, in which of these three, intermolecular space is maximum?
Gases.
Gases.
Gas.
In gases, the intermolecular space is maximum. In liquids,
It is less
Medium.
than more than solid.
Minimum.
It is the intermolecular space is less than in gases.
Gases more than solid.
Intermolecular space is
Least.
least.
Very less.
Least.
Least among all three.
So with the second points, let us write with respect to
Sir,
intermolecular space.
sir,
Once I tell, don't write, just observe. Ivenu baribadi.
sir, can't see that part, that side parts are oxygen side.
That part, huh?
Yes, sir. Till
Okay,
camera.
write a little bit this side. Observe here. These are the particles of solid. And these are particles of liquid. And whereas these are particles of gas. Observe the space between the particles. In some space in it. You may come 1, 2, 3, 4. You can observe the distance from 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 1 particles or 1 to 3 or 2 to 4. That distance is least on comparing with these particles. So the intermolecular space is least in solids and intermolecular space is maximum in gases and the intermolecular space is minimum in liquids. So let us go for writing the same points. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Right. Next point. Even figure very bad. Just you have to write the points only. Right. Intermolecular spaces. Intermolecular space. Intermolecular space.
Sir, should we draw that, sir?
Don't draw. Just you have to write the sentences only. Intermolecular space is least in solid. No need to write in solids. Once we have written, directly you can write like this. Intermolecular space is least. Next. Here. Intermolecular space. Intermolecular space is minimum. Means intermolecular space is more comparatively in case of solid. Next. In gas, what do you say about intermolecular space?
Maximum.
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 Intermolecular space is maximum. Hope that you can see up to here.
No, sir.
SPA.
Space only we can see, sir.
Space. Now, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, first
Intermolecular
one,
space
we cannot see. We can't see first point.
is
Sir,
maximum.
oxygen first point we cannot see.
There I have drawn a line. From now onwards, I'll write within that one. Intermolecular space is maximum in gas. Over.
Yes, sir.
We know that in all the three matters, the particles are held together, but the force acting between the particles is different from one to one. Observe here. Here, the particles are packed tightly. It means, what do you say about the force?
Very high.
Intermolecular space is
Maximum.
It is more comparatively liquids and gases. Observe here. Here also the particles are held together with the force, but on comparing, this force is smaller than in solids.
is less than solid.
Here also intermolecular space is weak. Sorry,
Intermolecular space is very weak.
the
Negligible force.
Very
particles
weak.
are held together here. It is least. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So, and what is we call that force as intermolecular force, and this intermolecular force is forces least
Attract.
in gases,
Least in gases.
maximum
In
solid.
solids.
minimum
In liquids.
In liquids.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Intermolecular force is maximum. Intermolecular force is maximum. Next, go to another page. We are writing properties of liquids. Molecular force is minimum. Molecular force is minimum.
Manya Jain.
Yes, sir.
How to tell, Amma? How to tell, unmute yourself?
Right, yes. Intermolecular force is least. Intermolecular force is least. Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
You know that in general, matters are made up of particles, and these particles will be moving continuously. In the case of gas, you can say that particles are moving from one region to another region as they are arranged randomly or freely. Is it not? In liquid, of
Yes,
course,
sir.
to some extent, they can move from one region to another region. But what do you say about solid? Are they moving from one place to
They
another
stay
place?
at a place and
Oh, sir,
vibrate.
they are rotating
No,
or
sir, they
rotating.
are move at one place, fixed
No.
place.
Yes, just they
They
can,
vibrate at the same place.
very good. They can vibrate or they can rotate in their own position. But we call that also, we consider that also as motion, right? Observe it.
Yes,
When the
sir.
particles are in motion, they obtain the energy. What we have called that energy?
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
Kinetic energy.
You just observe the movement of the particles. If the particles are moving faster, what do you say about the kinetic energy of the particles?
More
Greater
kinetic
kinetic
energy is
Greater.
generated.
Or decrease,
Increase.
Increase.
increase. Particles faster
increases.
if the movement of the particles is increasing means kinetic energy will also be increasing.
Increasing.
Let me give you one simple example. Assume that you are at some distance you have fixed a target. You take a ball and throw that to the target. Okay, this is one thing. Second thing, you'll go for leaving the arrow from this distance. It will touch to the target. Next, another thing, bullet is fired from the gun to reach that target or to hit that target. In all the three, whether the movement of the object will be same or different.
Different.
Ball, arrow, and bullet, will they move with the
Different.
same or different speed?
Different
speed.
Which of these three will produce more effect on the
Bullet.
target?
Bullet.
As it move faster, then which of these three is having higher kinetic energy?
Bullet.
As the speed increases, means as the particles move faster, their kinetic energy will also increase. Now compare the movement of the particles in solids, liquids, and gases. Now tell in which of these three kinetic energy of the particles is maximum.
Gases.
They can move from one region to another region easily. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy is least in which?
Solids.
In solids.
Solids.
A minimum.
In gases.
Gases.
Liquids.
Liquids.
Wait. Kinetic energy of the particles is maximum in gases,
Gases.
least in solids,
Solids.
minimum
In
In
liquids.
liquids.
Alright.
in liquids. Listen here. Here we are discussing about the properties of three different states of matter. Hence, we will go for using comparison words. Like in English, degrees of freedom. Enpidana?
Degrees of comparison.
Good,
Degrees
better,
of comparison.
Enpidana, degrees of comparison.
Yes, sir.
Degrees of comparison. Are they
Degrees
ready?
of comparison.
Least, maximum, minimum. Are it used?
Minimum.
Kinetic energy is maximum in gases,
Gases.
minimum in liquids,
Minimum in liquids. Least in solids.
Write the same. I'm writing that point here. Next point. Right. Fourth point. Is this fourth point?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy of the particles. Kinetic energy of the particles is least. Next, in liquids, kinetic energy of the particles is minimum. Then here in gases, kinetic energy of the particles is maximum. Hola.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Listen. Dear students, just by observing, you can tell that this is the arrangement of particles in solid. Assume that in this bottle, we are taking, it is completely filled with the sand. Sand is there. And this is also of same size, right? Assume that this is filled with water. Don't put it in correct. This is filled with water. And third one, assume that this is filled with a gas. Got it? Please look here. This is solid, liquid, and gas. In first bottle is filled with the sand. Second bottle is filled with
Water.
water. Third bottle is filled with
Gas.
or whether the volume of these will be same or different.
Different.
Same, sir. Same.
Same,
Same.
sir.
Student, please recall the
Volume will
volume
be
concept.
same.
Volume is the space occupied by the object, right? In general,
Yes,
it is
sir.
the space. Here, sand. Observe the space occupied by the sand, water, and air or any other
Same.
gas. Whether
Same,
volume is
sir.
same or different.
Same,
Same,
sir.
Because we have taken same size
Same
bottles.
types of boxes.
But could you tell which of these three is heavier?
Solid.
Solid.
First one, that is sand.
Sand.
The bottle which is filled with sand is heavier. Which is lighter?
Gas.
Gas. This heaviness can be represented by a physical quantity. Which is that?
Mass.
Density.
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 Right.
Yes, sir.
Mass and volume, both are being considered, and the term related to mass and volume is
Density.
density. If so, could you tell which of these are having maximum density?
Sand.
Water or gas?
Solid.
Solid.
Sand, sir.
Sand.
Density is least in which of these three?
Gas.
Alternate.
Air.
Air.
And it is moderate. It is moderate between these
In
two
water.
in case of water.
Water.
Right. Now come across solids, liquids, and gases. Where the density is maximum? In which? Solid, liquid, or gas?
Solid.
Minimum?
In
Gas.
gas.
Liquids.
Liquid. Least.
Gases.
Right? Right. Next one. Density. In solid, density of solids is maximum. And here, let us write, if I write the density of the gases as minimum, what do you say about density of the liquids?
Least.
Solids and liquids.
Moderate.
Got it? You are in
Moderate.
comparison. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು word ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಾದ್ರೆ you can write like this. Density is moderate between solids and liquids. And here density is minimum.
Moderate between solids and gases. You have written liquids.
Solid and gases. Solids and gases. Ora?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Listen. Now let me go for taking one of the solid. Hope that you are able to identify this.
Marble.
Marble is a solid. Is it possible to change its shape by pressing?
No, sir.
It cannot be compressed.
Right? Why it is?
Rigidity.
Some particles are tightly held.
Rigid.
It is rigid.
Rigid. So it has a property of rigidity. So is it same for all the solids?
Yes.
Can we say that all the solids
No,
are
sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
most of the solids are rigid only. But ಕೆಲವೊಂದು exceptions ಇದೆ. Like a sponge. See that sponge is a solid. Sponge is a solid, but it can be compressed. Alva?
It has
Because
minute force.
in that there will be air gaps. There will be tiny holes. Hope that you might have observed.
Bottles
And
also.
these holes are filled with air. On pressing, this air will expel, means it will come out. Therefore, it is compressed. These are all exceptional properties. But in general, all solids are rigid. See that here we have a block of wood. Got it? And
Yes, sir.
even it is also very difficult to bend.
It is rigid.
Got it? But hangantante ಈಗ rubber ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, rubber is a solid.
Yes,
Can
sir.
it be bent? Yes.
Yes, sir.
ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it has a
Flexibility.
elastic property. That is an exceptional property for the rubber. Though it is a solid, it can be expanded. Got it? Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Generally, we can
Yes,
say that
sir.
all the solids are
Yes, sir.
Rigid.
rigid. All the
Rigid.
solids are rigid. No,
Rigid.
here in this bottle, I have taken some amount of air. Air is there inside it. Got it? So it is completely filled with the air. Now I am going to press it. On pressing, can we change its shape?
It's getting compressed.
Yes, sir.
Flexibility.
Is it a rigid?
No, sir.
Not a rigid. It can flow easily. So it is a fluid. Right?
Compressibility.
Similarly, here we are taking some amount of water in the beaker. Got it? See that I am just pouring this water or transferring this water from beaker to another one. Do you say that it is
Fluidity.
rigid?
Fluidity.
No, sir. No,
Do
sir.
you say it is rigid?
No, sir.
No, sir.
So it can flow easily. Hence you can say that liquid.
It is fluid.
Fluid. So solids are rigid, liquids are fluids. What about gas? Gases.
They are also fluid.
It's compressible.
Gases also fluids. They can also move from one region to another region easily. Did you understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay. Now write the points. It is. What is it?
Solid is a
Rigidity.
rigid.
Yes. Solids
Solids
are
are rigid.
rigid. Let me write that point. Right. Solids are rigid. Can they be compressed?
No, sir.
Some can be compressed.
Okay, one minute. Wait. See
Some
the-
of them can be compressed.
Wait.
It cannot be compressed.
Wait. Now,
Sir, but we can compress sponge, no, sir?
I told you the reason for that.
Yes, sir.
Consists of plenty of tiny holes which are filled with a gas or nothing but air. On pressing, the air will go out. That is why
Expand.
that sponge can be compressed even though it is solid. Observe here, I have taken a cylinder and piston. In this cylinder, hope that you are able to identify what I have taken.
Chalk.
Powder.
Chalk powder. Chalk
Chalk
powder.
powder. Okay, very good.
Chalk
Those
powder.
who are telling chalk powder, I appreciate you because you might have read the textbook. In textbook, chalk powder antane koಟ್ಟಿದಾರಲ್ವಾ? I have taken the same. Even you may go for taking salt. And then come here. Up to where I have taken the chalk? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 10 ml ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
Yes, sir.
Hope that you are
Yes, sir.
able
Yes, sir. You have
Yes,
taken
sir, we
10
can
ml.
see.
Up to there, I have taken the chalk powder. Got it? Now I am going to introduce the piston. Let me go for pressing it by closing it. Now, it is coming out. 1 minute. I'll add few more amount. You spatula it. Here, as this mouth was opened, some amount of it passed. So that again I'm taking.
No, it is more than 10. It's more than 10.
Now it is exactly up to 10 ml level we have taken.
Because of the delay.
Here gap is there. Dear students, now you observe
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is the up to which level it is there.
10 ml.
10 ml.
Got it?
10 ml.
That means here, whatever the matter I've taken inside this cylinder, it is solid. So I'm trying my best to compress it, but it is not at all compressing. So we can say that solids cannot be compressed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Then let us go for taking liquid as well. I'm going to take some amount of liquid. Hope that you are. I'm going to use the color liquid.
KMNO4.
Which is this?
Yes, sir.
KMNO4.
Potassium
Potassium
permanganate.
permanganate. How much have you taken?
20 ml.
Dear students, observe. Here I have taken some amount of potassium permanganate. You are
20 ml.
20
ml.
Can you see?
20
ml. Now I'm going to close the mouth of this cylinder. Let me go for pressing. Let us check whether any level is changed or not.
No, it will change its level.
Huh?
No, sir.
Whether it
No, sir.
changes?
It is not compressed.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
No, sir. It's not changing.
It is not changing, but you can here I am feeling that the piston is moving little bit only. That means it can be compressed to some extent only, very little extent. Got it? The liquids can be compressed to little extent. Followed. Next, I go for taking some amount of gas. Wait. Yeah, see that the colored gas is there in this. Can you tell the level up to which level we have taken?
10 ml.
Now I'm going to press it. Just observe whether the level gets changed. I've closed the mouth of the cylinder. Now I'm pressing it.
It's changing, sir.
Yes, sir.
that's changing.
Visibility.
I'm trying my best to press it. So whether it is being compressed or not.
Compressed, sir.
Now, gases can be compressed easily. Got it? So solids are rigid and they cannot be compressed at all. Liquids or fluid can be some compressed to little extent.
We can
Then this is gas. Gases are fluids they can be compressed easily. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Could you
Yes,
give
sir.
few examples for the situation where we go for using the compressed gases?
LPG.
LPG, very good.
CNG.
Then
TNT.
CNG, compressed natural gas. LPG,
The
liquefied
oxygen
petroleum gas.
tanks.
Wait, listen, wait. Even you might have heard about oxygen cylinder.
Yes, sir.
Have you heard?
Yes,
Then
sir.
Yes,
carbon
sir.
dioxide cylinder.
Yes,
Nothing
sir.
but fire
Yes, sir.
extinguisher which you
Sir.
have learned in your previous
Yes, sir.
Carbon dioxide.
Wait. Are you all following or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now listen to. Okay, in LPG cylinder, that is liquefied petroleum gas cylinder, which is being used in your home. Have you ever checked it by shaking it?
Yes, sir.
When you just
Yes,
shake the
sir.
cylinder, you feel
Yes,
that
sir.
some
Liquid.
amount of liquid
Something
is
is
there
moving,
inside
sir.
it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Ma,
sir.
Yes, sir.
it is
Yes, sir.
butane, and that gas is to be compressed and it is converted into liquid. So that liquid is there in the cylinder. That is why when the nozzle is just opened, the gas will start coming out with hissing sound, right?
Sir, there will be pressure inside the.
Right. Yeah, that is. Andre, it is stored under high pressure. Hangagi, with that high pressure, it will be coming out with a greater force. Similarly, even in CNG, I don't know whether you have seen or not, but most of you have seen the oxygen cylinder. In that oxygen cylinder also, there will be a liquid. That is, oxygen is to be stored in that cylinder with by converting it into liquid, because this gas can be compressed. Not only this, even in case of fire extinguisher, which is the best fire extinguisher. Renuka, let your concentration be here.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon
Carbon dioxide is considered as a best fire extinguisher. In the fire extinguisher cylinder, actually there will be carbon dioxide in the form of liquid. That is, we know that the physical state of carbon dioxide is gas, and it is to be compressed with a greater pressure and is converted into liquid. Followed? Yes, these are just a few situations. Now you can, in case of solid, you can write solids are rigid and cannot be
Compressed.
Or bend.
points. Solids are rigid and cannot be compressed. Cannot be compressed. But sponge can be compressed. I have already given you the reason. Idella concept armele, we will go for discussing the reasoning questions. You may get confused. So that I'll go for taking all the scientific reason questions at the end of the concept. Next, with respect to liquids, what do you write?
Liquids are fluids and
Liquids
can
are
be compressed.
rigid.
To little extent.
Fluids are fluidity.
Right. Liquids are fluids. And the fluidity, that is a property. Sentence on you have to write like this. Liquids are fluids and can be compressed. Can be compressed to
Or
little extent. Little extent. Next, gases. Gases are
easily compressible and
they can be compressed easily. They are highly compressible and comparatively solids and liquids. Right. Gases are fluids and can be compressed easily. Dear students, from the last point, You can come to know that one of the property is saved in two states.
All
Very good.
can be compressed.
And yes. What is the common property?
They all can be compressed.
Property. That common property is
Compressibility.
fluid.
Compressibility.
There is common property. We go for using the word called similarity. This is one of the similarity between liquid and gas. They are both are fluids. Both are fluids. Clear? Did you understand?
Yes, sir. The video is stuck, so.
Sir, your
Yes,
video
sir.
is
Video is
Video
stuck.
is-
No videos.
Sir, video is not coming.
Prashant, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Prashant, sir.
Sir. Hello.
Sir.
Prashant sir.
Hello. Sir.
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 Someone please call the sir.
Sir sent message in group. Please see.
Hello, sir.
Prashant sir.
Hello.
I think sir has network issue.
Sir, I sent the message.
Sir sent a message.
Wait, student.
Sir has sent message to wait.
Everyone, wait a minute. Everyone, wait a minute.
Yes sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can you all hear me?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Turn on your videos. Okay, now listen to me.
Sir, screen not visible.
Sir, your video is not visible.
Video is not visible.
Sir, video is not visible, sir.
Wait. Why are you shouting? We know that. Wait a minute. Raju sir, can you hear me?
I can hear.
Raju sir.
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay, sir. Go through the explanation, sir. Soon your video will appear. Just go through the explanation.
Yes, sir.
Came,
Video.
sir, video
Yes, sir.
came.
Video appeared.
Sir, but blur.
It is not clear, sir, video. And it is
Sir,
hanged.
blur, sir.
Sir, you are stuck, sir.
It's hanged, sir.
Sir, network signal is weak sir. It is
Sir,
showing
your
red
video is
color.
Low
getting
bandwidth.
stuck.
Okay. Students, can you all hear me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is it visible? No, no problem at all.
No. No, sir.
You are audible, but not visible.
Prashant,
Sir, video is not visible.
Prashant, sir.
Sir, wait, sir. I'm doing, wait, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Viraj, sit properly. Prithvi. Prashant sir.
Your video is there, sir.
Some visible, sir.
Video is
Here.
visible, sir.
But blur, sir.
Blur, sir.
Wait, sir,
Blur,
wait,
sir,
sir,
full blur.
Completely blur, sir.
wait, sir. Raju, sir, please wait.
Ranjit, can you hear me?
Sir, we can hear, sir.
Sir, we
No.
can hear, sir.
No video, sir.
Okay, okay, wait. Prashant sir is there. He'll inspect us.
Sir, video came, sir, but blur.
Sir, down
Struck
network.
it, sir.
Video is not there.
No, video is not there.
Wait a minute, wait. Sir will instruct us. Prashant sir, can you hear me?
No video came, sir.
No, sir. Same, sir.
Sir, video stuck, sir. Stuck.
No video, sir.
No, sir.
Board
Sir,
is
down network symbol.
Sir,
is
you give
stuck,
us,
stuck,
sir, you give us explanation, sir.
Wait, wait, I'll give you.
No, sir, we can't understand.
To tell
Sir.
me.
Sir, without
Sir,
video,
Raju,
it's
sir.
off, sir.
Raju, sir.
Yes, sir, I can hear.
Okay, sir. Sir, today we shall wind up the class. Now,
Is it? Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Today only.
Okay, okay.
Sir, please tell the last point, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please
Sir,
tell
last
the
point not wrote.
point of gases and liquids, sir.
Gases are fluid and can be compressed easily. Last point.
Again.
Gases are fluids and can be compressed easily.
Okay, dear children, listen carefully. Today we shall wind up the class. Sorry for the, it is a network problem, I think maybe. So today we shall wind up the class. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Voice.
Thank you.